What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing something strange. I'm going to be doing this as an open cup. I have a hole in the very bottom of it. We'll have a little bit of a base. All I have is violet, and we have a light violet and a dark violet, and then titanium white. There's a little bit of one drop of oil in the two violets. No oil in the white. And with that, we're just gonna get to pouring. How are you guys doing this wonderful day? I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm having a great day. For those of you might know, I'm already on my trip to Michigan. So praying for safe travels and all that. All right, it's not really pushing out like I thought it would, so I'm gonna help it just by raising this up. Let those colors kind of come out, and then they're making layers underneath, which is awesome. So that's what we're going for. Yeah, maybe if I had holes on the side or something, it might work better. Although we're getting some really cool transparent looks going on. So I am happy with that. Curious to see what that light violet's going to look like, because it's got a metallic in it. So hopefully that metallic really kind of starts to shine. This is just that tiny hole in the bottom. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, excuse me. Well, impossible to keep my hand steady on that one. So now it's kind of behaving more like a straight pour, because I have it higher than I did before. A bit lower and it doesn't actually go anywhere. So it's kind of weird. I'm just trying to keep my hand really, really steady. Well, we get those last few drips going. Now, there's oil in that, so I know cells are going to form. So maybe I just center it and we'll just stretch it so it can do what it's going to do. Oh wow, I love that. So note, I'm going to do this again with no oil, because the oil is going to, and cells will form in that, and it's going to throw a monkey wrench in it. But I think it's beautiful the way it is. And in my head, I can picture it being gorgeous too. So right now I'm just trying to pop bubbles, but with the oil, it is definitely going to give some cells. There's no way we can avoid it. Maybe the cells will give it some really cool character though. All right, well, let me bring you guys down here. I love the way it looks, but I think with cells it'll even look even better. So we've already got cells cropping up, and even more will pop up during the drying cycle. But yeah, it came out really cool. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.